Okay, this is video 4.5 before the video 5, so I'm gonna squish this one in just for the viewers so they can see the process. Okay guys, as you can see now I have my chalk lines in the groove, and that's what I was talking about, guys. Once I had my lines, I allow about 1/4 extra just to tuck it inside the groove. I haven't cut the top, but I just want you to see exactly how the process is. So you can see now how you're gonna find that line, guys. The process is just to sink it with the spatula, and it's gonna leave a line. Then that's how you put your chalk. So basically you are looking for the groove down there, so you can replicate this process, guys. You can see down there, and once you have this one sink it, then the chalk will run easily on top of that. This one is cut, you know, in the line because this is what the stitch was. On this one we want to tuck it in, same as this other one. And when I cut my quarter all around the top, guys, I'm gonna be doing the same and just start to tuck it in. How is the process, guys? Let me show you right here. I think I can do that with one hand. So basically it's just like this, guys. Let me see if I get it in the groove or not. I'm not sure. There you go, guys. That's more or less the process. It's very simple, guys. Once you know how to get it in there, that's how it's gonna look all around, guys. I hope this one helped you guys. For those that want to do this, most clients prefer to pay for this process. I don't recommend it to the DIYs. This is mostly for the pros because it requires skills, guys. But you can try it, no problem. A lot of people is very handy. I don't say no. I just say yes. You know, try to follow the process the best you can. At the end of the day, you can do it many other ways. You can dismantle the whole door. It's just a lot more hours. And there you have it, guys. I hope this helps. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.